How to add a Facebook share button in Hostinger Website Builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to add the share button of your Facebook, or you can share this specific topic, blog, or a product from your Hostinger website to a Facebook page. So we are going to need the help of this specific page from Meta. So we have here developers.facebook.com slash this one. I am going to put this specific, as you can see here, link on the description section. So you are going to get the method easy. Now, what we're going to do is you head over hostingerfirst.com. Then you're going to sign in for an account. Now we are going basically here to have this specific website, or we are going to open up your website. We're going to head over the websites list. From here, we're going to see all of the websites that we have. Now, basically, we are going to click on edit the website that we want to share the content of. For example, I'm going to have this one, and I'm going to make sure that at least I'm going to open a page on our website. For example, I'm going to add something on the blogs. So we are going to head over the blog, for example, and see if I am going to have something like this. Now, as you can see, here we have the blog. Now, I am going to make the modification that I want. For example, here we are going to double tap on here, and then we are going to set up here a simple phrase or simple paragraph like something like this is the demo that we can apply. So we can here so we can get the, let's say here, tutorial set. So I'm going to have this specific text added. This is only going to be something that we are going to have in here. Maybe we are going to replace the image to this one, for example, or we are going to replace it to something like that. Boom. And we are going basically to click on update the website. Now, what I am going to do is to make sure that we have at least the blog. So we are going to have the link of our website ready. I'm going to wait for a few seconds. Here we have the website. Now I'm going to head over here and we are going to add the blog. So basically I'm going to add the blog. Boom. Let's see here. Normally it is going to be added. Boom. Here it is. So the page is added. We are going to update the website again. So we have at least the blog added. So we are going to put the share button of Facebook into here. The process is not that complicated, but it is going to take a little bit of time. So as you can see here, we have the website. Here we have the blog. We're going to choose the blog post that we have here. This is it. Now, how we can add this specific area or share this. So I'm going to have this specific link, blog post for. We're going to head over the website that I have mentioned in the description section. We're going to scroll down a little bit and then we are going to create our share button. We are going basically here to have this URL to share, and the layout is going to be, for example, a button like this. You can go ahead and add a button count, for example, for the number of shares. Also, you can have the box count only. So, for example, I'm going to control the button size as small or large, something like that. Then we are going to click on Get Code. Here we have the step one. So either you are going to include the JavaScript SDK on your page once, and you're going to put this on the opening body tag, and you can place this code specifically wherever you want. For example, I'm going to head over here. I'm going to paste only the second code. I'm going to add an element. So I'm going to head over the blog first. Let's make sure that we are going to have the right blog. So we are going to have here the code that we are going to embed just right there. Normally, it is going to be just like this. And it is going to be shared as this one, as you can see here. not that button because we haven't set up the JavaScript SDK. So we are going to put in here, for example, the this one. So we can go ahead and copy and paste the specific this one. I can go ahead and add this. Also this code. I'm going to double tap and update it, and it is not going to be showing. So basically you are going to update your website just like that, or you can go ahead and put it into the specific area, which is going to be the integration, and we're going to save it in here. This is the first thing. Then we're going to have everything set up. So I'm going to update my website again, and boom. Normally we are going to get the share button in here. So I am going to uh, refresh the page. It's going to be working in here, and we have the share button. So basically you're going to click on it and it will share it on Facebook. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.